My name is Sonia Mai. I'm General Manager of the Bluffs Championships, an 18-hole golf course designed by Greg Normans, and the golf course is rankings on top 100 golf course by Golf Digest. And I was so lucky to join the 2 days workshops with Jonathan Lowe's for the hospitality, sales, and service masteries. Just in very short period of time for 2 days, but we learned a lot of valuable knowledge from him. So my most key understandings and interesting part is the EQ, because we can apply the 6 C's into the sellings to understand and even understand the customers' thoughts about us. And from these EQs, I also that it can apply to understand more about people, colleagues around me, to have better understandings and communications for my works. And the other thing that is from the course is I realized my strengths and weaknesses, and also that it figure out a way to build trust with people amongst me. And then this is not just for my work, but for my personal life also. So Jonathan keep the level of interesting for everyone participates in the class, and we keep excited for the class. And in just 2 days, very short period of time, but we have fun, we learn, and we grow from this. So I'm very happy with this course. And if you are looking for a course to understand yourself, and of course to understand your customer, what they are thinking about you, then this is the right course. I recommend Jonathan is the right person you are looking for. Thank you.